is a skit on the freedom movement of India, performed by about 20 participants, all kids from Spandana. The group is led by Priya, Lakshmi and Veena. I will hand over to Priya for further introduction for the skit.
Please go, come back.
Namaste. Children of Spandana have come together to depict history of India, its contribution to world culture, the various invasions it faithfully attracted, and finally India's struggle for freedom. Our history goes back to several thousands of years ago. India was home to one of the richest and ancient civilizations of the world. A few of our significant contributions to the world are the number system, the number 0, the decimal system, chess, astronomy, yoga, Ayurveda, astrology, and martial arts. Indian universities like Nalanda and Takshila were world-renowned in their time. India was the birthplace of great epics such as Ramayana and Mahabharata, and also home to great spiritual masters like Mahavir Jain and Gautam Buddha. In ancient times, India was the center of trade and culture, which is why Aryans from Central Europe came in search of greener pastures to inhabit. Later came the Persians, Greeks, Romans, and Iranians to trade in spices, gold, and knowledge. Indian universities attracted many scholars like Tian Seng and I Ching from China who came in pursuit of knowledge. Subsequently though, invaders came to India in search of wealth, the most prominent of them being Alexander the Great and the Mughals. Explorers like Vasco da Gama was attracted by rich spices. Once trade was established, then came the French and British. At first, the English came to trade with Indian kings under the banner of East India Company, and slowly and steadily, over a period of 200 years, took over India and colonized us. After 200 years of suppression, the common man fought to free our motherland from the clutches of British rule. The struggle lasted almost a century, and we achieved freedom on the 15th of August, 1947. During the course of this struggle, we lost many men, women, and children. Some of the pioneers of our freedom movement were Mangal Pandey, Mangal Pandey was a 29-year-old sepoy. He was believed to be responsible for inspiring his fellow sepoys to rise against the British. He is widely regarded as the first freedom fighter of modern India, and the Sepoy Mutiny was the first war of independence from British rule. Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was the first woman freedom fighter and a symbol of bravery, perseverance, and generosity. She fought till her last breath at war with the British Army at Gwalior. Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai was said to be the most formidable of all Indian leaders of her time. Lal Bal Pal Trio. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal were assertive nationalists who advocated the Swadeshi movement, involving the boycott of all imported items and use of Indian-made goods before the advent of Gandhiji into Indian politics. Bipin Chandra Pal was also the founder of journal Bande Mataram. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it is well remembered in India even today. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He was one of the founding social and political leaders. He promoted not only non-violence for independence from the British rule, but also social reform within existing government institutions. Chinnaswamy Subramanya Bharati. Popularly known as Mahakavi Bharatiyar, was a Tamil writer, poet and journalist and social reformer. He saw beyond the social taboos and superstitions of orthodox South Indian society and was for women empowerment. Chandrasekhar Azad. Azad was a radical revolutionary who believed in independent India with equal rights and opportunity to everyone without discrimination of caste, creed and religion or social status. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre deeply affected young Azad and his contemporaries. He was the mentor of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is one of the most influential revolutionaries of his time. He inspired many youths to take part in the freedom movement. He strived to end British rule in India. Sarojini Naidu. She is also known as the Nightingale of India. She was a child prodigy, Indian independence activist, and a poetess. She took an active interest in social welfare, women empowerment, and nationalism. She awoke the women of her time and brought them out of their kitchen. Her birthday is celebrated as Women's Day in India. Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji, he was popularly known, was in favor of armed revolution and his belief that the only way India was going to get independence was after shedding blood. He founded the Indian National Army, composed of Indian soldiers of the British Indian Army. Tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga was his slogan. Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehruji, often referred as Panditji, was a lawyer, politician and statesman. Highly influenced by Gandhiji, he believed in nationalism, did not believe in imperialism. Later, he would become the first Prime Minister of Free India.
Jai! Jai!
Mahatma Gandhi ji, fondly known as Bapu, was the preeminent leader of Indian nationalism in British rule India. Employing non-violence, civil disobedience, Gandhi led India to independence. Our freedom was a result of selfless sacrifice of many known and unsung martyrs who passionately fought for us. It would be unfair not to mention the contribution of regional kings and political activists who were the architects of our freedom. Some of the South Indian freedom fighters we honor by remembering today are Karnad Sadashivrao Mangalore, N.S. Hardikar, VNOK, and K.G. Gokhale from the now Karnataka state. Koti Sri Ramulu from Nellore, Allur Sita Ramaraju, Vavila Gopal Krishnaya, Kanagatti Hanumantu, N.G. Ranga, and Kalluri Chandramouli from the Telangana region. Veerapandi Kattabomman, Subramanya Shiva, Vavu Siddhambaram Pillai, E.V. Periyar from Tamil Nadu, Sir Chettur Sangran Narayan, Lakshmi Shengal, N.P. Nair, Ambu Sri Swaminathan, and Muhammad Rahiman from Kerala. Vande Mataram.
Auntie, so we'll change that part. Let them do this one because in the end it's the back
We would like to introduce the children who took part in this event.
Auntie will do this. Yeah, that only. Auntie. Auntie will do the first step. This pattern. Yeah, Auntie will do that. No, Auntie, because one is already holding the flag.
Special thanks to all the kids here. So, Himaya as Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kavin as Bhatia, Arya as Gokhale, Priya as Mughal, Akhil as Bhagat Singh, Dhruv as Lala Lakshmi,